Rifle Builder Pro demystifies the process of ultra-precision rifle gunsmithing while enabling rifle builders to produce better quality work in less time with less frustration and waste. If you're a precision rifle gunsmith, you can't afford not to use Rifle Builder Pro. Historically, rifle builders have dealt with a lack of documentation for rifle actions and complex math that is error-prone. Cartridges chambered for use different documentation and/or units or don't have documentation, including SAMI, CIP, NATO, and Wildcats. And when the job is finished, the customer doesn't really know what they have. There's got to be a better way. Rifle Builder Pro tackles these issues head-on, including extensive detailed documentation for rifle actions, unified representations for rifle cartridge data in arbitrary measurement units, tailored, highly optimized manual and CNC machining flows for combinations of different rifles and cartridges, an online community where you can ask questions and learn, online training where you can learn the required machining skills, integrated tooling solutions enabling gunsmiths to perform high-quality work, and comprehensive job reports which document your work and elevate your product offering. If you'd like to know more, go to riflebuilderpro.com to subscribe for updates. If you're a member of the industry and would like to partner with us, click on Partner where you can fill out information to submit that inquiry. We look forward to talking to you soon.